Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have our EARFUN WavePro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Windows PC. So at first go to the settings of your Windows PC by clicking this Windows icon and then this gear icon. Then go to devices and then click this plus. Here click Bluetooth and now turn on your headphones. As you can see, they are now in pairing mode, but if they are not, we have to just triple tap the power button. Now they are in pairing mode, but if we have some pairing issues, we have to hit cancel button and then do this again. As you can see now, we are detecting our headphones, so we just have to click on it and now we are connected. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.